Alright, let's quickly look at this equation we have on the board. It is called a redox equation. Redox means reduction and oxidation, right? So it's a redox equation and we're asked to balance this equation. So let's balance this equation. The equation looks a bit balanced, but it has a missing word, a missing number here, which is x. So x can be 1, 2, 3. This is the value. So let's show what x means. So remember that anything x means must be able to balance this redox. Now, balancing of redox is not like our ordinary balancing of equation. In balancing of redox, we are balancing the ions that are lost to the ions that are gained. So our main focus here are in the ions, in the charges, right? So this is what we want to balance. So whatever our x is, whatever the value of our x is in this equation, should balance the charges on the reactant side with the charges on the product side. Very easy one. Now let's start. First of all, on the reactant side, what charges can we see? On this particular atom here, you can see -2. Plus here you can see +1, that is plus, but it's appearing 14 times. So we multiply by 14. And here it is the x we don't know. On the other side, you can see 3 plus, which is +3, appearing twice. And on this side, H2, we can see there's no charge on that H2. So the charge here is 0 times 7, which is still 0. Now let's quickly equate all this to get a particular answer. -2 plus, this gives us +14, right? And -2 plus 14. -2 plus 14 gives us +12. So on this reactant side, the total charges here is +12. Right? While on the product side, what charges can we see on the product side? This gives us +6, right? +0, and sum up to +6. So on this product side, we have +12. On the reactant side, +12. On the product side, +6. So this equation is trying to tell us that whatever x will be on this reactant side should correspond to the charges of the product side. So what do you think x will be? Remember that x is a negative value, right? X is a negative, right? There is an electron there and a no electron and negative. So let's quickly analyze that. So we simply want to reduce this particular number. Since it's negative, we want to reduce the number to that. So if we do that, +12 minus what will give us +6. So simply our x here will be what? Will be 6, because 12 minus 6 gives us +6. So in summary here, our x is going to be 6. Our x will be 6 because if you calculate all the charges on this side, on the reactant side, to give us +6, and the charges on the product side will also give us +6. Bye.